Well, kitties, today is a very, very, very rainy day, and I'm still shooting episode 6. So I'm going to just show you a little bit of footage from a couple of things that have happened in the last couple of hours. It's much easier if you just see it instead of me talking about it. So I'm just going to let that roll, and you tell me what you think. Well, here's my ceiling. Cut the hole. Cut the holes for the lights. Now I gotta put in the middle support screws, which you'll see in the episode, but yeah, things are coming along, kitties. Ran out of space on the camera. Things are coming along. Look at that. All right, back to it. All right, I'm in the driver's seat. Starting the engine. I suppose it's not supposed to make that noise.
Well, the power steering is low on fluid.
Yeah.
So it's having to kind of work its way through and around, and the pump is not happy about it. It'll be okay.